Hey everyone, welcome back to Forgecraft Inventor. Today, we're taking on a project that's going to blow your mind. We're building a completely chainless electric bicycle. This upgrade will make your ride smoother and easier. First, we start with a basic bicycle. Remove the front wheel and install a gear assembly. Make sure everything is aligned as accurately as possible. After welding, clean off the slag and ensure the wheel spins smoothly. Step 2. Add the second gear between the wheel and the motor. This is the most critical part. We'll use steel plates to fabricate a mount for the secondary gear. Measure the spacing accurately and position the motor correctly. The drivetrain components need to mesh perfectly with each other. Cut and weld steel bars to form a solid, durable frame. Drill mounting holes for the DC motor and its support bracket. Step 3. Install the motor in the friction drive roller. Secure the DC motor to the frame using bolts. Ensure it sits straight and allows slight adjustment if needed. Attach the drive gear to the motor shaft. This is the heart of our chainless drive system. Mount the entire assembly onto the bicycle frame. Use the adjustment mechanism to make the gears mesh tightly and smoothly. Step 4. Install the electrical system and controls. Place the speed controller and lithium battery pack securely. Connect the wiring motor controller battery. Always follow the wiring diagram to prevent short circuits. Install the throttle on the handlebar and connect it to the controller. Step 5. Final adjustments and safety checks. Secure all wires neatly with zip ties. Ensure no wires are pinched or rubbing against the wheel. Adjust the friction roller pressure on the tire precisely. It needs enough pressure to drive the wheel without slipping. Check the brakes. Every e-bike needs reliable stopping power. Do a dry run, lift the rear wheel, and twist the throttle. Step 6. Real-world testing and final thoughts. For the first ride, always start at a low speed. The chainless friction drive system runs incredibly smooth. And that's the result of a brilliant idea brought to life. No more chain slipping. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Forgecraft Inventor.